Welcome to a short video about the Student Business Club. This video represents the best practice at the Technical University of Liberec to foster and support entrepreneurship and creativity among our students.
At Student Business Club, or SBC, we believe that every student has the potential to create something extraordinary, and we're here to help make that happen. Student Business Club. You have the idea, we know how to make it happen.
Student Business Club, or SBC, is a place that has been welcoming all enterprising people since 2015. We create a community that cultivates the entrepreneurial spirit here at TUL. Our club hosts a number of lectures with experts and organizes business workshops and workouts. Every year we organize a competition for the best startup of TUL, which discovers great, young and promising entrepreneurs. We also focus on connecting theory with practice. As a student, you will gain valuable experience in the field of marketing. You will try to create your own projects, and the Open University Laboratory, TU Lab, will also be available to you.
One of the unique aspects of the SBC is our interfaculty courses. We offer 2 courses, one for beginners, primarily from non-economical faculties, and another for students with some economic background. These courses are designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of business and entrepreneurship, regardless of their study area. Our club has a rich history that we're very proud of. Since its inception in 2015, we've seen over 150 teams participate in the SBC. Each year, we hold a highly anticipated event, the Best Startup Competition. This competition is a chance for our students to showcase their innovative ideas and entrepreneurial spirit.
The annual startup competition at our university brings together the most innovative minds on campus. Each year, 8 student teams are selected to present their unique business ideas to a panel of judges in the university's Grand Aula. These presentations, which take the form of detailed business plans, are meticulously prepared and delivered within a strict time limit. The day culminates in the selection of the top 3 teams by the jury, who are then awarded significant financial prizes. This event not only fosters a spirit of entrepreneurship among students, but also provides them with a platform to transform their innovative ideas into viable startups. Let's see 3 great examples of our finalists. Daniela aimed to create comfortable and beautiful underwear from luxurious materials. When questioned about what the competition brought her, she stated that the most valuable thing for her was contact with a mentor, with whom she could review her business plan and focus on practical things, such as how to approach her future customers. Another finalist is a project on a parachute for drones. The risk of accidents of drones when a device's engine fails or a drone collides with a bird is increasing. A parachute, developed by a successful startup at SBC, can protect it. 2 friends, František and Martin, won one of the categories thanks to an automatic parachute. Last example is the binder, a case for active runners that charmed the jury of the TUL Startup Competition in 2016. SBC helped him to solve a trademark, establish the brand, launch own website, and start selling the first 2 binder models. The case was created thanks to Martin's passion for Parker.
The participants agreed that their exciting idea, which they had in preparation and perhaps even technically impressive, was helped to reach a successful end by participating in the competition for the best startup. Thanks to various lectures and workshops on business, accounting, patents, and marketing, as well as mentoring by experienced business partners and networking with other participants, they were able to develop and commercialize their ideas. To summarize it all, if there are students with a passion for business and innovation, we invite them to join us at the SBC. Their journey towards success in the world of business starts here.